Hello beautiful people. This is your girl Alua and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we deal with everything business. We conduct various interviews for various business people. We also offer market plugs, best market plugs for our viewers. We also advertise various businesses. So if you'd love to work with us, just take our number from the description box and reach out and we'll work with you. So if also you'd love us to interview you by coming to where you are, whether you own a shop, whether you own a kibanda, like anything related to business, just contact us. We'll come where you are and conduct an interview. And also, if you do want to know about a certain business or a plug, just comment down below and we'll work on it and then post. So guys, on today's video, we are going to talk about the cooking oil prices in SAMWEST distributors. We know very well that I did a video on SAMWEST distributors. I'll put a link of the video. And in the video, I told you guys how SAMWEST distributors work. It's a distributing company whereby they stock various things, like literally they stock everything that you want for your shop, whether you're doing it in wholesale or retail. Maybe you can be buying for your own house and storing, but they sell things from half a dozen or from 3 liters and above. It depends on the item that you're buying. And on the video, I was so detailed and I even told you when it comes to things like unga, it must be half a dozen. So on today's video, we are going to narrow down the things we talked about and talk about cooking oil prices in SAMWEST distribution company. This is because most people use cooking oil, like it's something we use in our day-to-day activities. And again, on that video, somebody commented and asked me about a certain price of oil. Do you know cooking oil, people use it for cooking and some use it for business purposes, whereby they sell things like snacks and they need cooking oil. So I decided to bring the list of the cooking oil prices that I know that exist in SAMWEST. This is a list that was there. This is a price that have been there for January and December. So I'm just going to tell you what I know and the prices that I know, but just know that in case the prices hike, it can hike a little bit or it can slow down a little bit. So let's get into the video and let me just tell you how it goes. So we all know that in Kenya, when it comes to cooking oil, we have different companies of cooking oil. So with the different companies, the cooking oil varies in price. So examples of the cooking companies that we have that present oils in Kenya include, we have Rena, we have Golden Fry, we have Rinsun. Is it Rinsun or Rinsan? Rinsun, whatever, but it's Rinsan. Then we have Avena. Then we have Sun Gold. Sun Gold, I think it's made from sunflower, if I'm not wrong. This clear oil that is always in a clear, transparent tin. Then we have Fresh Fry. We all know Fresh Fry. If you're a Kenyan, you already know what Fresh Fry is. Then we have Elianto. Then we have Pika. Yeah, so far those are the cooking oils that I found in SAMWEST, that I saw in SAMWEST as at the time I went. And being that it was during festive season, I believe some had run out, but sai maybe were stock. So I'll tell you the prices of the different from 3 liters to 5 liters to 20 liters. Okay. Then remember, apart from cooking oil, there are people who prefer using cooking fat. And with cooking fat, we have companies such as Kimbo and Cowboy. Kimbo was among the first ones to be invented. Actually, I grew up knowing Kimbo. So I don't know the Hansa Kimbo too came from the word Kimbo, but I grew up knowing Kimbo. And again, Kimbo was like mafuta ya kupaka. I'm not saying Kimbo is just for kupaka. I'm just saying growing up, ningeona kama una mafuta ya kupaka, ungetumia Kimbo. Unajipaka rakaraka, unashine ukienda. So Kimbo is still there and people are using it. Then we have Cowboy. Who doesn't use Cowboy when it comes to cooking fat? Cowboy is used for cooking chapati. Hizi machapati unaona zimetani yellow, soft. Most people use Cowboy to prepare them. So with this, when it comes to cooking fat, I'm just going to talk about the two I'm just going to tell you the price of Kimbo and Cowboy, because Kimbo has been there for the longest time and Cowboy is being used up to date, the people who use it up to date. So when it comes to oil prices, let's start with the 3-liter ones. And again, I'll be mentioning the name because as I mentioned the name, I'll be putting a picture of the item so that you get to know venye naka, because you know there's some people that just know cooking oil, hawajui kampuni, hawajui ni gani, bora ni mafuta ya kupika, unaona. And then there are people that are so specific on what they want when it comes to cooking oil. So the first cooking oil that you're going to look at when it comes to SAMWEST distributors that they have is Rina 3 liters. When you get there, Rina 3 liters goes for 800 shillings. I don't know whether in the local supermarket it's cheaper or more expensive, but at that time it was going for 800 shillings. Rina 3 liters. And then we have Golden Fry. Golden Fry 3 liters was going at 730 shillings. So guys, let's say maybe it's cheaper in the supermarket or expensive, but this one, remember SAMWEST distributors offers wholesale prices na ni wao wana supply watu wa duka. So if it's going for 730, that means that's how watu wa duka wanaipata. The good thing hawabagui ati wewe ni mtu wa duka na wewe si mtu wa duka, like they literally sell these things for everybody who is looking for them. Okay, even if you want to start a shop, just go to SAMWEST distributors, you'll get it. Then we have the one I've talked about, Rinsan. I'll put a picture. Rinsan 3 liters is 950. And Rinsan, I think it's also from sunflower, from the word sun. But you know, Rinsan is those clear oil, premier, like the clear oils that you see. This is zinakuwa kwa chupa yenye they don't solidify, zinakuwa tu liquid form, you know. So 3 liters of that goes for 950 in SAMWEST distributor. Then we have Avena 3 liters at 770. Avena 3 liters at 770. Actually, this company is in Kawangware. So, for those who will be asking, it's in Kawangware, Kikuyu Road. And then we have Salit 3 liters. Salit 3 liters is going for 730, guys. Then we have Sun Gold. Ile pia iko clear kwa chupa supu. Actually, when we go to the supermarket uone hiyo clear, you're always like, hii ni wadosi. Hii inakaa wadosi because inakanga tu richness. Yeah, it looks richness. So like that one 3 liters of Sun Gold is 950. Kumbe hata bei yake na Rinsan inatoshana. 3 liters ya Rinsan pia ni 950 too. Then we have Fresh Fry 3 liters. Fresh Fry 3 liters ni 770. Then we have Elianto. Mnajua Elianto? Elianto ni ile inakuanga clear pia iko kwa chupa tu clear. Hiyo pia ni ya richness. It sounds richness, it looks richness. Elianto 3 liters yake ni 1480. Hii inakaa imekuwa decanted sana, like it's so clear and safi. I think it has gone through so many things that hence the price, because it's the most expensive. 3 liters yake ni 1480. Hizo zingine zote, the cheapest among them ni Golden Fry yenye 3 liters yake ni 730. Salit yenye 3 liters yake ni 730. Hizo ndo the cheapest. And then Avena 3 liters 770. Fresh Fry 770. Hizi ni 3 liters naongelea bado. And then the clear ones, Rinsan 950, Sun Gold 950. So as you can see, most of these prices ziko up around 730 kuendelea. Hadi thao hiyo imekutosha kupata mafuta yenye type unataka. But kama unataka ku dig deeper into your pocket, then well and good, go for Elianto. So we are done with the 3 liters, the different companies. Hizi ndo zenye niliona. So kama sijataja the company that you expect, just know that we are in the process of getting there. Until then, there you go. And then now let's go to 5 liters. In the section of 5 liters, there were Rinsan 5 liters, which goes for 1500. Kumbuka actually the Rinsan is that clear oil. 5 liters yake ni 1500. Then kuna hii yenye Pika 5 liters. Pika si kuona 3 liters yake, but 5 liters yake ni 1145. 5 liters 1145. Then we have Elianto. Elianto ni ile nimewambia iko clear, sijui imepitishwa nini ndo hii bei yake. Hii nataka tu kama unatumia peke yako na unapima 1 ml kupika kila kitu. Like you can't just misuse this Elianto oil. Can you imagine? Elianto is 21.45. Hiyo ni 5 liters. 2,145. That's for 5 liters. Now for 3 liters, it's 1,480. Oh my God. If you're using Elianto, ebu sponsor me, I buy my own Elianto, guys. Because why? Mimi nataka kwanza kula hii Elianto. Inakaa ni tamu, ni kama inakuja na chumvi na spices already. Sponsor me, guys. I want to do this Elianto. And then we have 20 liters. 20 liters is good for commercial use. Unaweza buy kama wewe ni mpika chapo, chipo, smoky. Like if you do fast food business, you can go for this 20 liters. Unfortunately, I don't have prices for 10 liters azikuwa kwa display, but walikuwa na hizi 20 liters, so nikaona wacha niwaletee. You just see the price vary. Venye tu price inalingana, unaweza weigh like 10 liters of this can be around this price, unaona? But for now I have 20 liters, whereby 20 liters of that Rinsan, mwenye alianzisha hii kitu jina. 20 liters of Rinsan inaanza at 5,850. That's 20 liters of Rinsan. And then we have 20 liters of Rina at 4,800. Guys, 20 liters of Rina ni 4,800. Of which, kama 20 liters yake ni 48. Inamaanisha 10 liters of Rina can be around, hebu tupige hesabu, divide by 2. Inaweza kuwa around 24 hapo. Guys, kwani mafuta imefika huko? Cause tukibai ilikuwa ngapi? 18 for 10 liters, 17 for 10 liters. Yani sasa kumepanda hivi. Then let's go to fresh fry. Fresh fry 20 liters ni 48 pia. So Rina na fresh fry 20 liters zao ni same. Like yeah, it's same. Hakuna yani ni 48. Rinsan ndo 58.50, but ni ile mafuta yenyewe kwa clear. Sawa, up to there. Are we together? For the commercial use na watu wa nyumba na nini, mafuta ndio hiyo bei ya mafuta pale penye unasikia watu wengi wametaja SAMWEST ndio hiyo bei. And kumbuka pia nawaandikia chini, muangalie screen, you'll get everything that you're looking for. And then we have cooking fat. Guys, with cooking fat, nilisema nitawashughulikia tu kwa Kimbo na Cowboy. Kimbo 2 kg ni 535. Kimbo 2 kg ni 535. 2 kg kwanza hii mafuta ya solid. It's always so affordable. And then ni ujue kupima, because unaweza chutukia umeweka kubwa, chakula ina shine na kama ndazi, ama umeweka kidogo. So Kimbo yake ni 535. And do you know that some people use Kimbo to bake? Mtu akiki wako kama je kubekia na Kimbo, you are lucky. Like some bakers use Kimbo, oh my God, to bake. Jua beka yako. And then we have Cowboy 2 kg at 545. Cowboy, chapo tamu. If you want good chapatis, try Cowboy. Ama kuja tupige story, tukipiga chapati. So guys, 2 kg of Cowboy goes for 545. Those are the oil prices that I have from SAMWEST. I'm going to write a list at the end of the video, niandike kila list chini, so that when you sit down to piga hesabu, unajua prices za kila hizo mafuta zenye unataka. Comment down below niambie ni price nini tena unataka kujua from SAMWEST. I'll be there to do a video na niwaonyeshe prices venye najua ziko huko, ndio ukifika kwa ground vitu zisikuwe different. Unaona tu nyewe aliniambia the price range ni kama hii. So guys, thank you for watching. Thanks so much for watching. But above all, remember I do business interviews. If you love me, if you love to work with me, nuku interview. And then you know the good thing about interviewing, imagine I'll be interviewing you and you'll be motivating somebody out there. You'll be encouraging somebody out there, you know. And again, people will believe in you like you exist. People will know your business. Guys, mbona ucomment uniambie tu I want, and I'm doing it for free. Sasa nikikuja kuinterview na kucharge. Hapana. Mimi nakuja tu kuinterview, tusikie story yako venye biashara inakupeleka, like what you can advise somebody, because kuna wenye wanatafuta hizi ma videos, they want to know more about business na wajui watoe wapi. So you can help somebody. So if you really want me to interview you, imagine my number is in the description box. Nimewekea number hapo in the description box. All you have to do is to maybe send me a message or even call me, and let's do business together. Okay, so let me know in the comment section which other product will do not the price, alafu we pick from there. I'll be posting videos. I'm back guys, na nitakuwa nawekea content back to back, like hakuna tena kupoteza time, I promise you guys. Sawa, so guys, thanks so much for watching, and Alua here, I really appreciate guys for your support, and we're gonna meet in our next video. Adios.